On Christmas Eve of 2020, the Scottish Environment Protection Agency suffered a Conti ransomware attack. The agency has refused to pay the ransom and has been working since December to restore their systems and the more than 4,000 files that were stolen. Months later, Sepa has been able to get about 70% of their staff back online as of early April. They do not, however, expect to have their systems and data fully restored until sometime in 2022 as they work with data recovery specialists. In addition to the downtime on their systems, the stolen data has also been leaked on the dark web, and the agency has incurred nearly £800,000 in response and recovery costs. The organization is not relying on obtaining copies of the leaked data, as the likelihood of these being infected is relatively high. Ransomware attacks can be incredibly costly whether you pay the ransom or not, making the best option to prevent the attack in the first place. Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud uses behavioral and AI-based detection engines to stop Conti and other ransomware before they can steal your data or encrypt your systems.